Hi, welcome to 30minutetrade.com. Here I recommend stocks on a daily and weekly basis. And also I do the analysis. Um, so, so most of the stocks I pick from the of my, I developed so many strategies of my 17 years of experience. Here I filter, I go to the everyday many charts and I filter from there and I choose the best out of current situation. And also I mention when to buy, where to buy, all those kinds, all those buy point, selling point, when to buy, and also my thought process on the about the current market situation. And um, use that one. Only you need to spend 30 minutes every day. Use my experience and let's jump into the current market and what are the picks that we can select for tomorrow. Okay, let's jump into that. Today I think market is not that great because last week we have very last week and this Monday also sold off heavily. After that it was jumping again, but still market is not that great. From here it is jumping today. I think at the end of the day it looks like it is kind of a fading, and so sellers are dominating. And also let's see SPY also same way. It is behaving the same way. So might be tomorrow we will get one update or something like that, and might be tomorrow at the end of the day sell off again, again selling, increase more, might be Friday more sell off. That's what I'm expecting. So most of the time, that's what happens because heavy selling, and after that 2 to 3 days will jump again, then again selling will happen. So if you see the 2108 here, 40-day above the stocks, same, so percentage stocks are selling here, right? So at this time, still sellers are dominating. Might be market is sizzling here. We can see it will stabilize here a couple of days, and after that it will move the upwards. So here whatever you take at this time is only very short term, or 1 or 2 days, something like that. So not more than that, because overnight might happen anytime. So if you see here, on the 30-minute chart, is more or less stabilized, very stable, not buying, not much buying, mostly sell off at the end of the day. So in correction stage, at the end of the day, sell off happens, sell off domination. So be aware of that. And still, if you go to the VIX, still it is in positive, so it is not great mood. So we need to see still more down, then only we can buy it. So with that mind, still market is not that great. So only very short term trades only it will work at this time. Okay, with that mind we will go to the yesterday's picks, how it was acted. And so let's go into that. So yesterday I recommended BBGI TV related. So it acted very well, it went fine. This very small cap stock, and it is in the parabolic stage at this time. So whenever it comes down, we can initiate the some position. So right now it is still in uptrend. We need to see some 2 days up is good. I think almost from yesterday to here, I think it went I really I told here. So it went very good yesterday. Today fate is also I mentioned here at this time. see. From there I think it went up. Still it is in the range, so we let's see whether it will break or not tomorrow. Tomorrow might be at the beginning of the day, or by noon. I think mostly I will sell off, because market is not on Friday it will be horrible, I guess. That's what I'm seeing here. PAYC is also still I'm holding this one. Let's see, tomorrow, might be tomorrow in the morning time, I will try to take some profits, and I will close the position if I need it. Ahmed is also, I mentioned yesterday, still in the buy zone. Still it is not it is a very slow mover, so be aware of that. So still it is in the buy range. We will see, I think couple of days it will move up. EPAY still it's in the buy zone, and if it is see the long terms, just now broke out. We don't know, might be tomorrow, let's see. It might be, it will form some range, because if it is a very good bull market, I think it will move forward. But I see right now selling is dominating. It will move very slowly upwards. Might be one day up, one day down, one day up, one day down, something like that. Team is still good in act, I think. I see here some kind of a range here, so earnings is good, so in the long term it's good. SPNS, still it's forming the range. Once it will support the 20-day line. Once it touches the 20-day line, I will initiate the position. Not at this time, because market is kind of oscillating at this time, so might be this stock also might oscillate and form the range before jumping up. Luna is also kind of range, forming the range. We need to see how it works, but in the long term it is a good. ATXI, it is very low liquid stock, be aware of that. Very, say, if you see low liquid stock means 5 minute chart, if you go, say, very few people are only acting, not many people, so that's why it is very low liquid. And also see 48.3k per day. So but if it moves very fast, so when it moves fast, immediately you need to take profit. So these are the stocks that I recommended yesterday. So let's take today's stocks. Okay. Okay, let's today I have the very few stocks, because market is not that cooperating at this time, so that's why I choose very few stocks. And also there are not many stocks in the market to buy right now, so be aware of that. This is all I'm giving you, kind of a build the watch list. Whenever the market is doing good, then you can add more positions. So right now, whatever you do, just just a small position or pilot position to test it, but don't put everything in the one stock, and you will get damage in your portfolio. AVDL, if you see in the long term, is a drug pharmaceutical, so it really moves upwards for the last few months. So it's in the buy zone at this time, but if market cooperates, it will move upwards. So pattern wise also very good. So let's go to the technical fundamental, how it is at this time. Yeah, they are estimating the next year might be, it is a good, they are estimating EPS next year is positive, and also sales are still increasing. Sales are very good for the last 5 years, but it didn't market didn't cooperate, but for the there might be this run is running due to the next year EPS is positive, and also last one quarter last year also very good performance. So it is kind of a good one, I think so. And also last recently it is upgraded. Okay, and then let's go to the NGI. Let me put the buy point here. NG I mentioned here a couple of days ago. Still it is in good buy range, and gold when the market is down, I think gold is moves a little bit high, so it is a very we can initiate at this time. If at the end of the Friday, I think I will initiate, but it is still in the buy range. DXCM, this also diagnosis. This looks very good. It's very his high price stock and a very um, good range at this time. So whenever it breaks, I think it's good. Right now it is in buy range. Ever is also so due to in the sell off it didn't participate that much, so it is forming the range. Is a little minor cup with a handle in the long term, also very good, and it is steadily moving for the last 1 year almost. I think it moved almost 679%, so it's one of the good stock in technology sector. So keep an eye that. So whenever market stabilizes, we can initiate. I think it is good buy point at this time. EPAY also very good. It's just now in the long term in the weekly chart. It is just now it is breaking out, and I had the position in this one. So this is very good to initiate at this time, but long term looks very good, so we can initiate at this time. So these are the 5 stocks that I'm recommending for tomorrow. So don't use only very small position at this time, because market is not that great. If you see sellers only dominating, and also in the intraday also it will fluctuate, in certain time zones it is up, certain time zones it is down. So so be aware of that, and a lot of emotions is going in the market at this time, and a lot of people earnings also happening, big ones like Apple, Google, and today Microsoft, I think so. It is so be aware of that. So market will fluctuate a lot due to news, and also then because of news also immediately they will sell off at the time of the news. So be aware of that. So so that's what I'm so, and also don't break your rules. Stick to the 5% loss if it goes below your buy point. So don't stay with the stock until it will go to 20% loss. So okay, if you have any profit about 10% something like that, immediately you will take it off of the position. So and rest of them it might continue or run for a while if market is good. Okay, so be aware of that, and if you have any questions, comments, you can put in the comment section, and if you liked this video, please click the like button and also subscribe it, so you will get the updates every day, and also I will post all the daily and daily recommendations every day, so you will get it at the end of the day. That's it for today. Happy trading. Have a good day.